Well, good morning and good afternoon, good evening. Today we're going to be going through something real quickly here to help those do-it-yourselfers out there to get something done with their Toyota Sienna. So stay tuned. You might check back with our other videos where we had talked about our purchase of this vehicle and what we went through for all the paperwork and whatnot, but it turns out we have acquired a pretty decent example here of a 2014 Sienna. As you can see, this door opens as it should by using the mechanisms that are back in here, such as this cable and the cable parts that go down into the door that automatically open and close it. Now sometimes these things malfunction. They get jammed down here in the door mechanism underneath, inside all this, back in there, and you can replace it. But in the meantime, till you can muster up the funds to buy the mechanism or to have somebody to do the work for you, in the meantime, you can do like what we've done, which is come in here to the door, such as this one over here, where we have had a malfunction with the mechanism that opens it. You can open it manually still by just pulling back on the door and doing it the old-fashioned way, pushing it until it clicks, and then being able to get in and get your family in and whatnot. Then to close it, you just pull it closed. No longer using the automated system. As you can see here, this cable is what used to go across there, as you saw on the other side over there. However, the way it jammed down inside the door down in here caused it to only open the door to about this point right here, and you had to kind of shimmy in to the car, which is not ideal. So what we have done is, in the meantime, until we can get it to a service shop or to get the funds ready to go to buy the part, to do it ourselves, or even to have somebody else do it, I've gone in here and taken this out of this holder here, which is pretty easy. You can just clip it in here and pull it down, pull that out, and then cut this cable, which is going back through there when I cut it. Put the window down to get to it back in there, and then use wire cutters to clip that so that it no longer binds the door from closing or opening to whatever degree. You can open it completely, just like I said, in the old-fashioned way, and then you can go ahead and close it, and everything is in good shape. So again, that's a, sorry for my hand in the way, that's a quick way to get this working, to allow your family to use the car, and it really doesn't hamper use of the car very much by not having that automated door operating 100% the way it originally did. Still works fine. Again, we acquired this car, even though I know it looks like it needs a wash. We just washed it, but the pollen and oak strings are taken over. But pretty nice condition for a 9-year-old car with 190,000 miles on it now. We took it all the way to California and back. Did a great job. Had one snafu with that door back there, but kind of took care of that in a economical way. Didn't cost anything but maybe 10 minutes of my time this morning, maybe a little bit more, trying to find my wire cutters and then clipping that wire and tucking it back up in there or taking it out, and we're good to go. So check out the other videos where we acquired this car if you want, and also be sure to give us a thumbs up if this was helpful to you, and if you would like to see more videos about this car, let me know in the comments. Again, we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Till next time.